Welcome back, fellow plant enthusiasts. Today we are diving deep into a topic that can make or break your succulent garden, the soil mix. Hi, I'm Forlitz and in this episode, we will uncover the secrets to creating the perfect soil mix for your potted succulents. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel, click the like button, share, and leave us a comment so we can learn from each other. Before we get our hands dirty, let's talk about why the right soil mix is essential for succulents. Succulents, as you know, are master of water storage. They thrive in arid conditions, but only if their roots stay healthy. The wrong soil mix can lead to a root rot, stunned growth, and unhappy succulents. So what's the secret recipe for a successful succulent soil mix? It is all about balance. First, you will need a cactus or succulent potting mix. You can find this at your local garden center. It is specially formulated for good drainage. Next, add perlite or pumice. These lightweight materials prevent the soil from compacting and help excess water drain away. Don't forget coarse sand. This further improves drainage, but make sure it's not too fine. Aim for a 25 to 50% ratio of perlite, pumice, and sand in your mix. Creating your succulent soil mix is as easy as 1, 2, 3. Start with a clean container and combine your potting mix, perlite or pumice, and coarse sand. Mix them thoroughly. The goal is to achieve a well-draining mix that won't hold on to excess moisture. Your choice of pots matters too. Always use pots with drainage holes at the bottom. This ensures that any excess water can escape, reducing the risk of overwatering. When repotting succulents, gently remove the old soil and inspect the roots for any signs of rot or damage. Trim away any unhealthy roots before replanting. Now that you've got your succulent soil mix ready and your pots prepared, here are some general care tips. Water sparingly. Succulents don't like wet feet. Allow the soil to dry out between watering. Place your succulents in a spot with bright indirect sunlight. They love sunlight but can get sunburned in scorching direct sunlight. So there you have it, guys, the secrets to creating the best soil mix for potted succulents. Remember, it's all about balance and proper care. By giving your succulents the right soil mix and attention, you will have a thriving, beautiful succulent garden in no time. If you found this episode helpful, please like and subscribe for more gardening tips. And as always, happy gardening!